Okay, let's review the pathway qualities of the Chong Mai, no? So we are going to really study Chong Mai or penetrating vessel. It is also called thoroughfare vessel, no? Number one, the Chong channel is considered the origin of.
The eighth
Okay.
channel.
Okay, so that's why we need to master this. It is the origin of the 8 extraordinary channels. So the Chong channel begins in
Lower than
Lower Dantian. Very good. The Ren channel is known as the Sea of.
Yin.
So kung may sea,
Yin.
meron din Sea of. Okay. The Du channel is known as,
Yang.
of course.
Yang.
Which extraordinary vessel is called the Sea of Blood?
Chong Mai.
Yes. The Chong channel reflects the unfolding of.
The Tao.
The opening point of the Chong Mai.
Screen 4.
Yes. The coupled point of Chong Mai.
GV41.
Uy,
GC6.
6. Sabi ko na nga ba.
GC6.
4 with 250. Starting point of Chong Mai.
Ren 1. Ren 1.
Okay, yung mali ang sagot, dito ka mag-start mag-needle, okay? The Chong channel strongly connects the heart and kidneys. Now, alam nyo ba, ang daming pasyenteng ganito, no? In fact, I tried using this on most patients. Jing transforms into the first channel. So I think you know where the Jing comes, where the Jing is stored, no? So nagtatransform siya into the first channel known as.
Chong Mai.
Siyempre siya yung origin.
Chong Mai.
Chong Mai is associated most deeply with.
Qing.
Yes, Jing. The
Jing.
Chong channel moves the Jing from.
Prenatal to post. From prenatal.
Okay. So bata pa lang, inaayos na natin. The Chong pathway passes through.
Medial leg and great toe.
Great toe. Yung iba, medyo tahimik. The Chong Mai is especially important in
Gynecology.
The female patients think of this first. Which organ pair is most associated with prenatal and postnatal integration?
Kidneys and spleen and stomach.
Kidneys, spleen, stomach. Prenatal yung kidney, so spleen, stomach, postnatal. The Chong channel is most active kailan?
In the first years.
First years of life. The Chong Mai helps regulate
menstruation.
Kaya unahin mo na. The word Chong can imply
penetrating or surging.
That's siya. The Chong Mai influences
all of the above. All of the above.
Of course. Above. Fertility, hormonal balance, blood circulation. The Chong channel forms the
Dye channel.
Dye channel. The Chong Mai connects with which point considered a sea of grain point?
Stomach 30. Stomach 30.
Stomach 30. Nagko-connect siya doon. The Chong Mai influences the
all of the above. All of the above.
Face and eyes, chest and throat. Which emotional quality is associated with Chong imbalance?
Emotional disconnection.
The Chong channel nourishes
the blood.
The blood. The Chong Mai descends to
great toe.
Great toe. Kaya spleen na spleen. Yeah, spleen. Yeah, okay. Which channels are influenced by the Chong Mai?
All of the above.
Are you sure? Yes.
Chongmai.
Yes.
Spleen, stomach, liver, kidneys, heart, intestines. The chongmai is said to regulate
All of the
All of
above.
all of the above. Which extraordinary vessel, kakaroon na tayo ng heart impact, is considered the father of the family of extraordinary, ay father pala siya. Okay. The
Chongmai.
chongmai. The chongmai links
Heart, blood, and kidneys.
yung mga matatakutin, yung may insomnia, parating may anxiety, na madaling magulat, no? Heart, blood. Chongmai na yan. The chongmai supports communication between
all of the above.
Okay,
Hindi
all
pa
of
rin.
the above. O, di ba ang dami niya? The chongmai can influence all channels because
Is the origin.
Is the origin.
namnamin na natin. So we have to, master everything. In fact, next week we're going to talk about the internal pathways, no? We need to master it. The chongmai is associated with which of the following sensations when rebellious?
Rushing sensation to the chest.
Very good. Oo. So the patient would always say, akala niya GERD, pero parang kakaiba, may umaakyat. A rebellious chong chi pattern may include, so ano itong manifestation niya? Or manifestations?
All of the above.
The above.
Yeah. Nausea, anxiety, palpitations. Pag sinabi niya may palpitations, automatic yan, no? The chong channel's trajectory through the chest explains its effect on
All of the above.
All of the
favorite
above.
chong ngayon. The chongmai has a close relationship with
With stomach.
stomach.
Stomach channel.
Anong point?
Stomach 30.
The chongmai is deeply connected with
Prenatal. All of the above.
all of the above.
All of the above.
My pathway helps create
All of the above.
yes, yin and yang
All
cha
of the above.
way. O diba, napaka-importante ni Chong. The chongmai traverses which body region prominently?
Core trunk. Vertically.
Yeah, core trunk vertically. Which aspect of life is linked to Chong energetic properties?
All of the above.
All of the above.
Above.
The Chong channel is associated with the transformation of
Jing into menstrual blood.
into menstrual.
Yin.
Very good. The chongmai is connected to the uterus. Bakit napasama ang men? Is in
In women.
which of the following best describes the chongmai?
Women. Women.
Uy, ano yung chongmai flow?
Multi-directional.
Multi-directional.
Kaya napaka-effective. The chongmai is strongly associated with
All of the above.
kaya yung mga may konting issue with lower limb circulation, no? Ayusin na yung chongmai nyo. Lalo na pag iba na yung kulay ng paa nyo, no? Okay. Number 45. The chongmai connects extensively with
All of the above.
yeah, ang dami niyang uses, no? Okay, the Chong channel helps support
All
of the above ulit. The chongmai influences digestive disorders such as
all of the above.
the chongmai's
All of the
penetrating
above.
nature is associated with
Constitutional.
constitutional death, no? Which channel point pairing is commonly used for Chiang Mai treatment?
Lean for PC6.
PC6.
Okay. The Chiang Mai is best viewed as
A profound organizing
Profound
vessel.
organizing vessel.
profound
Running blood.
burning blood and essence. Wow, congratulations to those who got it all. Okay. Thank you so much. See you next week for internal pathway.